let's learn about the breakouts with the example directly. Okay, so the market is coming down from extreme high. It came down, created a low. With this low, we marked the end of this low. Okay, and we waited for the market to break this low, because if market break this low, then the market will create a bearish trend, which we can see, and the bearish trend will give us the confidence that even if the market tries to grab the liquidity above, it will have to come down. Correct? So what we have done here, we have marked the trend here. We have marked the first low for the confirmation of this area once it comes down, and then the first high which was created, the swing high which was created, we marked the end of the wick there. Now marking the end of the wick actually gives us an area where manipulation, you can say, can be captured. Not manipulation, liquidity is much better. We know that the trend is low, market will have to come down, market will come down for sure. But once this type of movement traders see, they get scared and they get something like brainwashed. From bearish, they turn into bullish, right? And that is where they make mistake. If they would have marked the first nearest swing available, they would understand that as soon as the swing area is tested, even if the liquidity is grabbed, there is a trading opportunity always that the market will go down. And where is the trading opportunity? The trading opportunity happened here, guys. You can enter here also. You can enter, this is the safest place, correct? Extreme high is the stop loss and extreme low is your TP. So I hope you guys have understood how this type of breakout and break-in can happen. You always don't have to, take the support or the resistance for the prices to go above it or down and then take an entry. No, here also we have done the same thing. But with this type of entry, okay, you will never make a mistake that you must have made before. Whenever the prices break out down, you usually short here, like this chart. This was the low you created, the market created. This was the line that you created, calling it a support. As soon as the support is broken, you will short here, right? But you will not make this mistake from now, because what I'm trying to tell you is wait for the market to give you the confirmation. This area here got tested again. Nobody got fooled because of this liquidity grab. People waited for the tests. They entered here with the long, not with the shorts. Understood? All right. So I hope you have liked all the entries so far that I have taught you. Let's move ahead.